Welcome to English Learn with Zohan. Total question 15. Time 5 seconds each questions. Good luck. Subscribe now and never stop learning. Learn smart. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Question 1. He a beautiful painting. Option B is the correct answer. Question 2. They a new song. Option B is the correct answer. Question 3. At the movie already? Option D is the correct answer. Question 4. She to join us. Option B is the correct answer. Question 5. We a lot of fun yesterday. Option A is the correct answer. Question 6. He me the truth. Option A is the correct answer. Question 7. I from college last year. Option B is the correct answer. Question 8. They us at the station. Option C is the correct answer. Question 9. The driver the car carefully. Option B is the correct answer. Question 10. My keys at home. Option B is the correct answer. Question 11. She all the question. Option B is the correct answer. Question 12. He a doctor. Option A is the correct answer.